Time now for a Fox Soccer Daily update. For that, we welcome in Danny Behr. And Danny, some fallout from Manchester United's horror outing yesterday, correct?
It is all about United, Rob. Yes, very frustrating times for the Red Devils, and in particular, Robin van Persie. In an interview with Dutch TV, he did accuse his teammates of invading his space and forcing him to adjust his game. Excuses. Van Persie squandered United's best chance late in the second half. David Moyes, meanwhile, took responsibility for what he called United's worst performance in Europe. The Red Devils managed just one shot on target in the 2-0 defeat and are in danger of going out in the round of 16 for the second straight season. And the English media, predictably, you can be surprised by this, had a field day with United's defeat, with the Daily Mail splashing the headline, "Humiliated," while the Telegraph Sport described the Red Devils as clueless, aimless and hopeless. Rob, isn't that what you said about Warren last night?
No. Don't go there, Danny. Don't go there, Danny. We have a good relationship.
You've been talking about it behind my back.
You know I wouldn't do that.
I thought you was a friend of mine.
You are not clueless. You are not aimless. You are not hopeless.
You are hopeless. That beard is hopeless.
It just got cleaned up, too. Time now for a Fox Soccer Daily update. Danny Behr, the reacts from United's loss yesterday continues.
Yes, it does, Rob. Very frustrating times for the Red Devils, and in particular, Robin van Persie. In an interview with Dutch TV, he did accuse his teammates of invading his space and forcing him to adjust his game. Van Persie squandered United's best chance late in the second half. David Moyes, meanwhile, he took responsibility for what he called United's worst performance in Europe. Red Devils managed just to get one shot on target in the 2-0 defeat and are in danger of going out in the round of 16 for the second straight season. And Chelsea with a much better result today, and one of our viewers does have a question about the Blues here. Kevin Lodge tweeted, "Will Chelsea be the English team that goes the furthest?" Rob, guys, what do you think?
Oh, I think they have the best chance. We take a look at how the English teams have fared in leg one. You see Manchester City fell at home to Barcelona. Arsenal fell at home to Bayern Munich. So those two have to go on the road to reverse that scoreline. But United, they go home down 2-0. And, of course, Chelsea in good shape, guys. I would think 1-1 going back to Stamford Bridge. Time now for a Fox Soccer Daily update. We welcome in Danny Behr. And Danny, some Real Madrid news ahead of tomorrow's big clash with Borussia Dortmund.
Yes, Rob, absolutely. Most of the injury news has centred on Dortmund, but Real Madrid will have a key absence as well. Left-back Marcelo has been ruled out with a hamstring problem that could sideline the Brazilian for several weeks. And Carlo Ancelotti is the latest big-name manager to be linked with Tottenham. Ancelotti could be out of a job if Real Madrid fail to win a trophy this season, and would be a prime candidate to replace Tim Sherwood at White Hart Lane. And for more on that story, please check out the new foxsoccer.com, and remember to send us your photos of watching today's matches using the hashtag UCL on Fox. Back to you, Rob.
I look forward to some of those pictures a little bit later, Danny. Yes, we're getting closer and closer to kick in both Manchester and Barcelona. United, Bayern Munich, next on Fox Sports 1. Barcelona, Atletico Madrid, two Spanish sides battling it out next on Fox Sports 2 and Fox Sports Plus. Time now for another Fox Soccer Daily update. And with that, we welcome back Danny Behr. And Danny, some news involving...
I have got some news.
Zlatan.
That's right. Yes, Rob. Zlatan Ibrahimovic will lead PSG against Chelsea tomorrow. And the Swede now claims the French side will be his last club in Europe. Ibrahimovic, who has previously been linked with a move to the Premier League, joined PSG from AC Milan in 2012. And you can catch the PSG-Chelsea clash at 2 Eastern on Fox Sports 1, while Ronaldo and Real Madrid host last season's runner-up Dortmund on FS2 and Fox Soccer Plus. All games available on Fox Soccer To Go. Now let's check out some of your photos from today. Zach Jensen came up with a creative way to follow both matches. Well, Barcelona fan David Martinez had some company as he watched his team play to a 1-1 draw against Atletico Madrid. Some great photos, Rob. I'm surprised you and Warren didn't submit any. Warren's always very entertaining.
Warren's always good. A couple of selfies here and there. Let's talk about Zlatan real quick. Oh, please, right? His last club in Europe.
Sell it, Rob.
Come on to North America, Zlatan. We'd love to have you in MLS. Let's talk about Zlatan. Home to Chelsea. You think he's going to be? He's going to have a nice little affair with
just
Mr.
his
Terry
temperament.
Company.
I mean, he's been sensational all season. I just wonder how Chelsea's back line, maybe the physical side of him, so that'd be interesting there.
And Ronaldo with a big opportunity tomorrow to continue to shine this season.
Yeah, obviously it's a big stage for Ronaldo, and he's ready for any game.
He seems to handle the big stage.
He's like you.
Pretty well. Is that right?
Bigger the better.
Well, thank you, my friend. Carry on.
Push that
Pair of
chest
1-1
out.
results today. 2 more coming your way tomorrow.